Hi, I'm Lili Cheng, Corporate Vice President of Emerging Technologies. The Digital Contact Center platform has done an incredible job of transforming contact centers with a wide array of AI-driven capabilities. This has allowed for more self-service and automation than ever before. But sometimes a problem just can't be solved through a chat or phone call. Sometimes the only way to fix something is by rolling up your sleeves and getting hands-on. And this is where field service comes in. In field service, we are seeing numerous trends and factors driving the need for our customers to transform. The same way staffing shortages have challenged contact centers to think more creatively about how to maintain productivity with fewer agents, the scarcity of frontline workers has led to a need to better equip them to do more with less. IDC estimates that in 2023, 60% of product-focused field service operators will include incentives and programs to improve worker satisfaction. Gartner estimates that by 2025, more than 75% of field service organizations will employ a mobile app that helps improve first-time fix rates and customer engagement. As you can see, frontline worker satisfaction and productivity are top of mind for many organizations. We can help. Our investments in recent field service release waves are designed to increase frontline worker productivity, optimize service operations, and enhance asset monitoring and match the best skills with the needs of the customer. To that end, we've introduced these features in field service in Release Wave 1. We believe these new capabilities and enhancements will make it easier than ever to match frontline workers with work orders. These features will also provide them with a rich mobile experience with all of the details they will need to perform their tasks. Our investments in recent mixed reality release waves have further bridged the gap between Teams, Dynamics for Field Service, and Guides. Remote Assist is now fully integrated with Guides, allowing for a unified experience for dispersed service teams. So let's explore how Siemens Smart Infrastructure uses Dynamics 365 Field Service to offer a new service delivery model for over 250,000 customers and more than 1 million buildings. Charles?
Oh, hey, Lily. I know how this looks. Charles requires a HoloLens in order to solve a Rubik's Cube, but I just want you to know that's absolutely true. But that's beside the point. The whole point of a HoloLens is that you can do a wide array of things. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what. So, first things first, start with Siemens. As Lily mentioned, Siemens Smart Infrastructure is a longtime customer of Dynamics for Field Service. I'm going to give you a sneak peek at how Siemens SI is using Dynamics to manage their field service operations. I'll also show you how the new features we're introducing in Release Wave 1 of Field Service and Mixed Reality could support similar types of field service operations. Siemens SI supports an array of connected assets, such as controls for this HVAC unit. When there's a problem with one, an alert is generated and sent to the support team to investigate. The usual first steps are to try and resolve the problem remotely by gathering diagnostic codes and sending reset commands. Often, that's all it takes. But unfortunately, this time it's going to require in-person service. Now, as a dispatcher, the first thing I'll want to do is identify the right parts. Siemens often supports large customers with multiple assets across multiple locations. Previously, it could be a challenge for dispatchers and service managers to find the right asset. But with enhanced hierarchies, I can quickly navigate to the asset, as well as the parts that make up the asset and where exactly the asset is at the customer site. Upon viewing the asset details, I can see it's an older install, so I use the improved global search to find the later model version of the same HVAC system controls. This allows me to identify any updated in-stock parts and ensure that the tech is using them for all the necessary replacement services. After creating a work order, I pay careful attention to the not-to-exceed cost, or NTE. A new feature we're adding, NTE allows organizations to set limits on the cost of work in order to stay in line with customer expectations. Should the cost of service tasks start approaching the limits, I'll be alerted so I can come up with alternative plans or escalate as needed. I can also view the cost and price totals for the work order using all of the new total summary features. Finally, we've introduced trades. Trades will allow me to better organize and understand my business. Work orders, incidents, NTEs can all be categorized into trades. So, should I attempt to schedule a work order involving labor I'm not contractually authorized to perform for a customer, it'll alert me accordingly. Should specific trade work exceed estimated cost, it'll also alert me. Now, when Amanda, the frontline worker in the field, receives the work order, she can see everything I've gathered through our enhanced mobile app. The Field Service mobile app has improved performance, even while in low network and offline conditions that are common on work sites. Amanda reviews the details of her work task, including the asset details and not to exceed limits, and gets to work. After some troubleshooting, she determines that there is a faulty variable speed drive fan motor. She's not an expert in repairing variable speed drives, who is? So she opens the Guides app on her HoloLens to walk through an installation process. After following the correct sequence, she's successful with the installation. Unfortunately, she's still getting some odd readings. This calls for help from an expert, and she knows just the person. Previously, Amanda would have to switch to Remote Assist app in order to connect to an expert. But now, we've merged Remote Assist functionality with Guides to create a single mixed reality experience that allows Amanda to escalate from self-service to Guides in a Teams call. But don't take my word for it. Amanda actually sent me a Teams link to join a Remote Assist session with her, which, by the way, is another new feature. And it just so happens that Amanda is on site right now. So why don't we tune in and see how we can help her out?
Hey, Charles, thanks so much for joining. I was just getting Victoria up to speed. So I installed the variable speed drive. I am getting this error though. Victoria, I took a quick photo and put it in the chat here. Do you know what's going on?
Yeah, I see that photo pulled up, and I think it has to deal with our relay connections. Do you see an electrical panel around?
This one over here?
Let's go ahead and head over that way.
Okay. I don't want to, I've never worked with these before.
No worries. So I'm going to go ahead and have you first switch this down.
Okay.
All right. And then I'm going to drop an arrow in your space here. Let's pull this relay.
Oh, right here?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, what do you think?
Looks pretty bad.
Is this, you think this is the problem?
Yeah. Do you have any new ones?
We've got a few right here.
All right, go ahead and place that right back in. Awesome. And you can go ahead and close the door and flip that switch back up. Let's head on back.
That's it? Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome, Victoria, it says it's on now.
Perfect.
Everything's looking
Nice work.
good.
Let me know if you need any more help.
All right, thank
Bye.
you.
As you can see, the merger between digital, physical, and virtual has never been stronger with Dynamics for Field Service. This is just the beginning of what we have planned with this important extension, the Digital Contact Center platform, and we look forward to having you joining us on this journey. Lili?
Thank you, Charles. Siemens Smart Infrastructure is shaping the market for intelligent, adaptive infrastructure for today and the future. It addresses the pressing challenges of urbanization and climate change by connecting energy systems, buildings, and industries. They are rolling out Dynamics 365 Field Service for more than 10,000 users and have provided essential feedback for mobile, scheduling, and asset servicing. We're thrilled by the success they've had, and we're looking forward to continuing our partnership to bring even more innovation with these new features. To learn more about these and other features we're introducing, please review the release notes for Field Service and Mixed Reality.